everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix circle to search not appearing. First, you want to go into settings, scroll down to display and navigation bar, then make sure circle to search is enabled. Now, check if your Google app is up to date. Scroll down, you can see the version, app details in store, and as you can see, there's no update available, so we're all good. Now, make sure you have a Google account signed in. So Google accounts and backup, manage accounts, as you can see, I have. If you don't have it, then add account. And lastly, you can clear out the Google cache. So go into apps, scroll down till you find the Google app, storage, and clear cache. And now long press the home button and circle if anything you want to search. And that's it for today. I hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.